Welcome to Easy English Talk with Thon.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Talk with Thon. I'm Thon, and I'm here again with my co-host, Danny. Danny, how are you today?
Hey, Thon. I'm doing really well today. Feeling relaxed and ready to talk. How about you?
I'm doing great too, and I'm really excited about today's topic because I think this is something many English learners are thinking about.
Yes, absolutely. Today, we're going to talk about something very important: how to learn English faster, but also smarter.
Exactly, because many people think, I need to study more hours, more effort. But actually, it's not only about studying more, it's about studying in the right way.
That's true. Some people study for years, but still feel stuck, while others improve faster. So, what's the difference?
That's a great question. And today, we're going to break it down step by step. Simple ideas, simple habits that you can start using today.
And don't worry, we're not going to give you complicated rules. Everything will be easy, natural, and practical.
So just relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning with us.
All right, let's begin.
You know, Danny, I think one of the biggest problems learners have is inconsistency.
Yes, I agree. People feel motivated one day, then stop for 3 days, then start again, then stop again.
Exactly. But learning English is not something you do sometimes. It's something you do regularly.
Let me give a simple example. Imagine going to the gym. If you go 1 time a week for 3 hours and then do nothing, will you get strong?
Probably not.
But if you go every day, even just 15 minutes, you will see real progress.
Yes, and English is the same. Small effort every day is much more powerful than big effort once in a while.
So instead of saying, I will study English for 2 hours someday,
Try saying, I will practice English for 10 minutes today.
that feels easier and more realistic.
Exactly. And when something is easy, you are more likely to do it.
And when you do it every day, it becomes a habit.
Yes, like brushing your teeth. You don't think about it, you just do it.
That's the goal. Make English part of your daily life.
You don't always need a book. You don't always need a classroom.
You can learn English while doing normal things.
Like what?
For example, listening to English while cooking, watching short videos, reading simple sentences before sleeping.
Even talking to yourself.
Oh yes, that sounds funny, but it really works.
It does. You can say things like, I am opening the door. I am drinking water. I am walking outside.
This helps your brain start thinking in English.
And that is very important.
Yes, because many learners translate everything from their language to English.
And that makes speaking very slow.
Exactly. So instead of translating, try to think directly in English.
Start with simple sentences, very simple.
Like, I am tired. I am hungry. I need water.
Then, slowly, make longer sentences.
At first, it feels strange, but over time, it becomes natural.
And your speaking will become faster.
Now, Thon, let's talk about vocabulary, because many learners struggle with this.
Yes, I see this a lot. People try to memorize hundreds of words, but then they forget everything.
Exactly. So instead of learning single words, learn phrases.
For example, don't just learn eat. Learn I want to eat. I am eating now.
This helps you speak faster because you already have the structure.
And also, it helps your brain remember better because it has context.
That's right. And here's something interesting. You don't need thousands of words to start speaking.
Really?
Yes, about 1,000 common words can help you understand most daily conversations.
Wow, that's actually not too much.
Exactly. So focus on common words first, not difficult words.
And use them again and again.
Now let's talk about something very important, speaking.
Yes, this is where many people feel afraid.
They think, I will make mistakes.
But here's the truth. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, you cannot improve without making mistakes.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
So don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking now.
Even if you speak alone.
You can record your voice, listen to it, and improve step by step.
And there's another powerful method called shadowing.
Yes, I love this method. You listen to a sentence and repeat it immediately.
Try to copy the voice, the speed, the pronunciation.
This trains your brain very fast.
Now, before we finish,
Let's give a simple challenge.
today, do just one small thing.
Maybe listen to 5 minutes of English or speak 3 sentences.
Keep it simple and be consistent.
That's the secret.
All right, that's all for today's episode.
We hope this helps you feel more confident.
Keep practicing,
Keep improving
and we'll see you again.
on Easy English Talk with Thon.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.